Okay, so music's on now. This is our sleepovers. Oh my. I'd like to mention that I do not know this girl. Say hi to Stephanie, guys. Yeah, that just got stuck. Okay, her headband got stuck in her hair. She just hit her knee on my floor. Get your butt away from me.
You liked it. I took off my bracelet. What else can I take off? Take off the rosary?
Oh my, okay. You need the rosary.
I'm gonna take off my rubber band.
Stripper. Okay, just for the record, before this gets out of control, okay, this is a shirt underneath, okay, cool, okay, oh god, yeah, okay, cut.